How's it going, everybody? Martin Belliveau Auto Spa, and today I found this product at Advanced Auto Parts. It is available on Amazon as well for about $7. So this is Rustoleum Wipe New Fierce Wheel and Tire Cleaner with corrosion inhibitor, which should, I think, make it so your rotors don't rust when you're rinsing. I'm not sure. I don't have a way to quickly test that. But interesting product. Rustoleum, as you know, it's a brand. They're known for their different types of spray paint, but they make all kinds of products. And Wipe New, that's their trim restorer product. It's a pretty good ceramic trim restorer. Despite it being, as seen on TV and available in stores everywhere, it works very well. It's a very good product. So they have broken into the more into car detailing. They got cleaners. They also have a tire shine, some ceramic sprays. And I'll probably grab them as I see them, test them out. But I mean, for about $7, we're going to see how this does. It says for OEM clear coat wheels. So we're going to test it on our Nissan here. And it's a nice, how much? 20-ounce can of cleaner. So 20 ounces for $7, not bad. Especially if it works well. Get the focus, there we go. We'll take a look at the instructions on the back. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's a wheel and tire cleaner. It should clean your tires and wheels good. So make sure wheels are cool to touch. It's basically spray on, wait 30 to 60 seconds. And it says, for heavy brake dust, a wheel brush may be necessary. So it does say to agitate, so we'll try it with agitation. And then rinse thoroughly with a strong stream of water, and dry wheels prevent water spotting. That is a good tip, but then all your other safety precautions here. So where this doesn't necessarily say to spray on, rinse off, because this wheel is pretty dirty, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to agitate and see how clean we get the wheel and tire, which I'm sure we'll get it nice and clean. And then we're going to spray the tire again to see if it is completely clean. So let's go ahead, let's get over to the wheel, and let's see how this does. Alright, so I've got our dirty wheel here. I've got my bucket of soapy water, my wheel cleaning tools, and I'll post links to all that stuff as well. So just to show you, see that the wheel is dirty. It doesn't look too dirty in the camera until I do that. So does this stuff say to rinse off the wheel? It just says make sure wheels are cool to touch. It doesn't say to pre-rinse, so we're not going to. So let's go ahead and spray it on the tire. It does go on a little water even when it foams up quickly. These tires aren't too bad, but we're still going to clean and scrub them. See around the edge. It could just be because it's cold out. This isn't spraying too well, but the spray is good enough. So. Alright, so we'll let that sit for about 30 seconds, and then I'll come back and scrub it and clean it, and then we'll see how well this stuff works. Alright, so it's been a little over 30 seconds. It says 30 to 60, so let's scrub and see how this stuff does. So I got my wheel brush here. Pretty dirty tire, and we'll see if that got rid of the tire dressing as well. And take our regular wheel face brush. Give them a good once over. Now, key to a good wheel cleaner is you shouldn't really have to scrub hard, which I'm not. And we'll take our barrel brush. Make sure we really get in there. gotta be careful, this thing will splash back at you, so I just like to stand off to the side. Alright, go ahead and rinse that wheel off and see how it looks. Alright, wheel looks pretty good, tire looks good, but that can be deceiving. So to see how clean the tire is, we're going to hit it once more. Now if you follow my channel, you know that Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner is my favorite because one pass is all you need. So we're going to see if that's the case with this as well. We're just going to go over the tire again. See how that did. I'm not seeing any browning, but sure, brush is rinsed off and we'll scrub it again. So I do still see a little bit of brown, not much though, so I'd say it did pretty good. But if you plan on dressing your tires after, definitely make sure you, go over it a second time. And then, I'm going to show you guys my secret here. Take my Griot's Garage Ceramic Speed Shine. You can do this with most ceramic detailers, and there's also dedicated spray and rinse sealants. Spray it on there, then rinse it off and watch how the water beads up. Not bad, right? Then you got some protection on your wheels. It'll be easier to dry this way. You can dry them with a leaf blower. You can even see in the barrels in there how it even makes the water bead up in there. Of course, they got to be nice and clean, but this tire cleaner, wheel and tire cleaner, pretty good overall. Let's go in for the final thoughts. Alright, so Wipe News, Rustoleum Wipe New Fierce Wheel and Tire Cleaner. $7, it's going to get a pass from me. The only other cheaper product I've seen that comes close in terms of performance is the Turtle Wax in the green bottle, the Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and that's like $4 or $5 for a bottle, and I think it's just about as much, so pretty good product. So yeah, Rustoleum, they definitely didn't make just some crappy product just to sell. They made something that works, so hats off to them. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. It's just a quick one to show this product I found. Again, links will be in the comments below, as well as discounts to certain websites if you're interested. Using those links or discount codes, it helps the channel out, so I greatly appreciate all of you who do. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if there's any other Aerosol tire cleaners that you like out there, and I'll check them out. I know Eagle One had theirs for a while. But that's all I got for you guys. Oh yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you'll see a lot of good detailing related content. But other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.